Welcome to Natural Life Channel. For best DIY potassium fertilizer recipes. Potassium is a vital nutrient for plant health, promoting strong root systems, robust growth, and improved resistance to disease. Creating your own potassium-rich fertilizers can be both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Here are 4 easy DIY potassium fertilizer recipes to boost your garden's growth. 1. Banana peel fertilizer. Ingredients: 0.4 to 5 banana peels. 1 gallon of water. Instructions: 1. Prepare the peels. Cut the banana peels into small pieces to speed up the decomposition process. 2. Soak. Place the peels in a container with 1 gallon of water. Let them soak for 24 to 48 hours. 3. Strain. Remove the peels and strain the liquid into a clean bottle or jar. 4. Apply. Use the banana peel tea to water your plants. Apply it every 2 to 4 weeks. Benefits: banana peels are rich in potassium and other essential nutrients, making them an 2. Wood ash fertilizer. Ingredients: 1 cup of wood ash from untreated wood. Instructions: 1. Collect ash. Ensure the ash is from untreated wood to avoid introducing harmful chemicals into your garden. 2. Apply. Sprinkle a thin layer of wood ash over your garden soil or mix it into your compost. 3. Water. After applying the ash, water the soil to help the nutrients penetrate. Benefits: wood ash is a good source of potassium and can also help balance soil pH, making it ideal for maintaining soil health. 3. Potato water fertilizer. Ingredients: water used to boil potatoes cooled. Instructions: 1. Boil potatoes. Cook potatoes in water and save the water after cooking. 2. Cool. Allow the water to cool to room temperature. 3. Apply. Use the cooled potato water to water your plants. Apply once every 2 to 3 weeks. Benefits: potato water contains potassium and other nutrients leached from the potatoes during cooking, providing a simple and effective way to nourish your plants. 4. Seaweed fertilizer. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cups of dried seaweed or 2 cups of fresh seaweed. 1 gallon of water. Instructions: 1. Prepare the seaweed. If using dried seaweed, soak it in water overnight. For fresh seaweed, rinse it thoroughly to remove excess salt. 2. Steep. Place the seaweed in a container with 1 gallon of water. Let it steep for 1 to 2 weeks, stirring occasionally. Benefits: seaweed is a rich source of potassium and other trace minerals, promoting healthy plant growth and improving soil structure. Final thoughts: these DIY potassium fertilizer recipes are simple, cost-effective, and eco-friendly ways to boost your garden's nutrient levels. By using ingredients like banana peels, wood ash, potato water, and seaweed, you can provide your plants with the essential potassium they need for optimal growth and health. Regular application of these homemade fertilizers will help ensure a thriving and productive garden.